Welcome to Adventures in Etymology, brought to you by me, Simon Ager, and Radio Omniglot. Today we're looking at the origins of the word ʻbʌkɪt, which is a container made of rigid material, often with a handle used to carry liquids or other items, or a part of a piece of machinery that resembles a bucket. It comes from the Middle English word ɓ-kət, meaning bucket, which partly comes from the Old English word ɓúk, meaning bucket or pitcher, partly from the Anglo-Norman word ɓ-kēt, meaning tub or pail, which comes from the Old French word bûc, meaning abdomen or object with a cavity, and the Old English word bûc and the Old French word bûc both come from the Old Frankish word bûc, meaning belly or trunk or torso, which comes from the Proto-Germanic word ɓúkās, meaning belly, abdomen or body, from the Proto-Indo-European word ɓo, meaning to blow or swell. Words from the same Proto-Germanic root include ɓók in Scots, which means to retch, vomit or emit smoke, buik, meaning belly or paunch in Dutch, buque, meaning ship or vessel in Spanish, and buco, meaning hole, gap or hovel in Italian. The English word trébuchet also comes from the same Proto-Germanic root via the Old French trébuchet, meaning a trebuchet or bird trap, from trébucher, to fall or knock over, from trés, a prefix that intensifies or means across, and bûc, meaning abdomen. Thank you for listening to and or watching this adventure in etymology. I've been Simon Ager, and this has been brought to you by Radio Omniglot. You can find Radio Omniglot podcasts at radio.omniglot.com. I also write about words and etymology on blog.omniglot.com. Or why not visit Omniglot, the online encyclopedia of writing systems and languages, at www.omniglot.com.